Okay, let's take a look at WordPress with WooCommerce using the storefront theme and how it produces single product rich snippets. And we'll test that using the Google Rich Results tool. So here we have just a simple WordPress site, and we have WooCommerce. We are using the storefront theme. We've already generated a couple products, and of course it looks like your typical generic WooCommerce single product page here. So if we take this by itself and run it through the rich snippet tool that Google has, we can see that we will get some rich snippets. So product and merchant schema. I'm just going to pause while this generates the results. Okay, so the rich results test results have come in from Google, and you can see we have a product snippet and the merchant listing snippet and breadcrumbs, which is all good. So let's examine implementing Elementor. We'll do one at a time just to see when and how we lose our schema data. So we'll activate Elementor by itself, and we will come back. You can still see we are still getting and using the WooCommerce generic page, and the rich results should be the same. We should still get the exact same results here. So I'm just going to pause again while this generates the results. And here we can see the results have come in after implementing Elementor, that we are still getting the rich snippets here. The schema data still coming in, which is good. Now let's implement Elementor Pro, because we may want to get out of using the generic template that WooCommerce gives. We might want to get creative with our product pages, which is why we would activate and get Elementor Pro. Elementor Pro comes with many additional features, which is a larger library of templates that we can use, and the product page is one. Single product page is one that we would want to use, and this is where we get issues. So I've implemented Elementor Pro, and we still haven't used a template. We're still using the WooCommerce default template. So again, let's just run this one more time here, and we'll see after this returns, we'll still get the good results here using Elementor Pro. So just by itself, we're not getting any issues using Elementor Pro. So I'm going to pause again briefly while this generates new results. Okay, again, we're still getting, everything still looks good using Elementor and Elementor Pro. But now I want to create a template for my single products. So this is where we're going to lose that schema data. So first thing I want to do is, you would do is go to settings of Elementor, and you would say that I want my products, I want to be able to use Elementor on my products. So save changes here, and then we would go in and create a template for our single products. I'm going to add a new single product template. And basically what we get is a blank canvas of Elementor, and we can do whatever we want. So I'm going to keep this simple. Just going to do 2 columns. I'll drop the image. Drop an image and a heading, which can be, of course, the product name. Probably going to have some description of some sort. We'll just use this widget. Probably want to display the price. So we'll put the product price on here. And of course we'll need add to cart. And we'll publish this now. We'll add a condition to apply to my products. And now we'll see that we've gone from the generic WooCommerce template to a more creative template using Elementor. Beautiful, that's what we want. Now let's test the rich snippets here to see if we still get these snippets. I'm just going to pause again while this generates the results. Okay, the results have generated and we've lost the product and the merchant schema data here. So this is, going to affect our SEO in some capacity here, which is not good. We don't want that. So this is where the Kewl Elementor Schema Fix plugin is going to resolve this issue until Elementor fixes it themselves. So let's activate this plugin now. You can still see that we're still using this Elementor product page template. Perfect. And let's run the tool again to see if we can get back the missing schema data. So let's run this again. And we'll pause briefly while this generates. Okay, back again. Now we can see we've got back those missing schema elements here. So the plugin has generated that missing schema that happens while using the Elementor single product template. And this will work with Yoast. So if we activate Yoast, we'll get the benefits of Yoast by itself on a product page. And if you were using the premium version, say the WooCommerce SEO premium plugin that Yoast has for WooCommerce, you would get the enhanced snippets from them as well if you are using Yoast. So one more test here to see that we can still get the snippets. Actually probably be one more in here that Yoast generates. Pause one last time while this generates. And here's the results, and we can see that we're still with Yoast we are still getting all the snippets that we were looking for. They also added one more site links search box snippet. So it does work with Yoast as well. So that sums up how the Kewl Elementor Schema Fix can produce the missing schema while using the single product template in Elementor.